Hi guys, I hope you subscribe and like. So we are gonna talk today about sheeps. Look at this one. He's beautiful. Look his face. So sheeps eat hay or sheep food. So I'm gonna show you the babies. They were born a few weeks ago. So they eat hay. Look, they eat their hay already. So what do sheep give for us? They give wool and all this hair like this. Look here. You see, this is like a kind of wool. What is there? So, they give us wool, and what do they else do? They are beautiful. You can subscribe and like please for my channel, and I will give you more sheep videos. Then we have chickens. Chickens are beautiful. What do they give for us? They give eggs. Do you eat eggs in the morning? Yes, I do. So, they need food, but they need chicken food. They can't eat sheep food. They are very beautiful. So this is all the chickens. They are very beautiful. And they give us feathers. Then we come through. We come through. Then look here. Look. Do you know what that is? I don't know. You tell me on the comments. Please comment something and you tell me what do the sheep give and what do the chickens give. And what do these give? These animals give us feathers for pillows. So we can, if we don't have these animals, we don't have pillows. I hope you like and subscribe, and bye.